Hello everyone, Akash here. If you are trying to save money in extremely low budget, that can be challenging but not impossible. Luckily, there are some creative ways you can budget right and save money. So I will give you 10 tips in this video how you can budget right and save money in low income. The first tip would be build a budget that works for you. That is the most important thing, especially when you have a really low income. When you have a really low income, having a budget will open your eyes to where your money is going. If you don't have plan for your money, it is very easy to spend it on unnecessary things. With a good budget, whatever left over each month, you could put it towards your saving goals. The second tip would be eliminate your debt. If you have debt, that will definitely going to hold you back from achieving your financial goals. If you have constant financial strain on your budget, then end of the month you won't have any money left to save. Make it a priority, tackle your debt. It will take commitment to erase your debt. Think about it, if you didn't have to pay those debt every month, how much more money you could have saved every month. So make a commitment today, whether you have credit card debt or any other debt. Even it takes a whole year to pay it off, it's worth it. Also, if you write it down how much you're paying towards your debt every month and how much left to pay, that will motivate you to stay on track. The third tip would be lower your housing cost. Housing expense is one of the biggest expense that most people deal with. If you could cut down your housing expense by few $100s every month, that money can make a huge difference in the size of your savings and overall quality of life. Few ways you could cut down your housing cost, like downsize, move to a smaller apartment, or move to a new location. Like moving from city to suburb could be cost effective some areas. Or if you have extra space in your home, you could rent it out to offset your housing cost. It really depends on your situation, which option will work best for you. If you find an affordable place to live, that can completely transform your finance. The fourth tip would be more mindful about food spending. If you like to eat out more often, that can blow up your food budget pretty fast. If you have the time to cook at home, not only you're going to eat healthy, also it will help you to keep your food cost down. So watch every dollar how you spend on food. Best thing you could do, meal planning. That will help you avoid last minute food purchasing. So you plan for the day what you're gonna have for lunch and dinner. This way you will less likely stop by your favorite takeout place on your way home. Meal planning can take some time to get used to. Also, do not overspend on groceries. Get exactly what you need. Also, take a look in your fridge. See if you can make a meal with what you have on hand. The fifth tip would be automate your saving goals. Making the choice of saving money can be difficult, especially forcing yourself every month. Making the same choice will be really hard. And if you have the money in checking account, you're most likely to spend it unless you move your saving automatic. So basically every time you get paid, transfer a certain percent of your income to your saving account. So the trick is you don't see the money, so you don't spend it. The sixth tip would be find a free bank. It is easy to get stuck paying unnecessary fees. You must avoid that because right now you're trying to save money. You don't want to pay any overdraft fee or any other bank fees. If you find your bank constantly charging you fees, then it's time to change your bank. There are many banks advertise free account without any associated fees, so do take advantage of that opportunity. The seventh tip would be evaluate your car cost. Not only making car payment, also thousands of dollars annually to upkeep and maintenance. Also your car insurance can be higher depending which area you live. So try to pay off the car as soon as possible. And if the car in good condition, do not trade in that car. Drive the same car as many years you can. This way you won't have any car payment to make every month. And you could save that money every month. Also the car no longer financed, so you don't have to carry full coverage insurance anymore. You could get liability insurance and save money that way. You could also cut down on fuel cost by taking bus or biking to work, if that possible the area you live. Also if the car need basic repair, nothing major, then you could try to do it yourself and save money. The eighth tip would be take care of your health. Your health is your wealth. Healthcare is expensive, and there are not too many ways to cut down your healthcare cost. Few ways you could try to take care of yourself and stay healthy, like exercise, eating healthy, sleep enough, and eating less junk food. Also quit smoking. The ninth tip would be try to use couponing everything you buy. You could buy exactly what you want for less money. There are a few good coupon apps that you could use, like Rakuten, Anything you buy online, you could get up to 20% cash back with Rakuten. Also, you could use Ibotta for your grocery shopping. You get cash back for every grocery you buy. You will find these app links in the description box. The 10th tip would be try to increase your income. Even you learn the best way to budget your money in low income, but at some point, you may not able to squeeze any more pennies out of your budget. Simply, you want to create more breathing room in your finance. One way you could increase your income is through a side hustle. Whether you want to drive Uber for part-time or be a dog walker, try to find a side hustle that's going to work with your regular job schedule. Make sure it doesn't conflict with your regular job. So basically find the motivation to save. Consider taking the first step today. Once you do that, take action on additional way to save money. Hope this video is helpful to you. Many related video you will find in my channel. And if you give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Take care.